Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see a small quiz on Python operators. Okay, let's start our quiz. So you have the first question and the options, and after reading the question, I'll give you a 10 seconds timer and you have 10 seconds to answer the question. Okay, so the first question is, what is the result of 5 plus 3 asterisk 2 in Python? So asterisk is nothing but a multiplication symbol, correct, in the Python. So now what is the result of 5 plus 3 multiplied by 2 in Python? Options are A 16, B 11, C 13. Your timer starts now. Time is up. Let's reveal the answer. The answer is 11. Let's see why. So in Python, basically, the multiplication is performed before addition. So first the multiplication is performed between 3 and 2, which is the answer is 6. Okay. Now the output 6 is added to 5. So then the output will be equals to 11. So this is why the answer is 11 and the correct option is B. Okay. Now let's move to the second question. What will 1 less than 2 less than 3 evaluate to? Option A, true. Option B, false. Option C, error. Your timer starts now. Time is up, guys. Let's reveal the answer. The answer is true. Let's see why. So basically these 1 less than 2 less than 3, these are called chain of comparisons. Okay. So now, firstly, in these type of chain comparisons, so what happens is that 1 less than 2 will be evaluated and there will be an AND operation between them. AND operation 2 less than 3. Okay. So now 1 is less than 2. Yes, of course, it is correct. True. And 2 is less than 3. Yes, it is true. So both are true. And we have AND operation. When both are true in the AND option, the output will be obviously true, right? So the result is true. So we have the option A, which is true. The correct option is A. Now let's move to the question 3. What is the output of not of true? This is nothing but we are using not operator for a true. Okay, so the options are A, true, B, false, C, none. Your timer starts now. Time is up. Let's reveal the answer. Answer is false. Let's see why. So basically we know that any output will be reversed using not operator, right? Let's say if not of false is said, so it will just reverse the output, which is what is the reverse of false, which is true. So that's why we have true over here. It will reverse using not, which is false. So the correct option is B, false. Now let's proceed to the question number 4. So the fourth question is, what does x slash slash y do in Python? We already know a single slash is a division operator. So now what does double slash means? Okay, what does it do basically in Python? So we have options A, integer division, B, floating point division, C, modulus operation. Okay, your time starts now. Time is up. Let's reveal the answer. So the answer is integer division. So we called x slash slash y. What does it do is integer division it performs. So the slash slash operator performs integer division and rounds down the result to the nearest integer. Okay, let's say we have 5 double slash 2 or 5 slash slash 2. So now the answer will be if we use a single slash 5 slash 2, we already know that we'll get the answer as 2.5, right? Whereas in this integer division, we only get the integral part, not the float value total. Okay, so let's say 5 slash slash 2, then the answer will be 2. Simply, we'll not get the 0.5 value. Okay, you got it right. So now let's move to the question number 5. What is the result of true or false and false? So the options are A, true, B, false, C, none. Let's start the time. Time is up. Let's reveal the answer. Answer is true. Let's see. In Python, and is having the most precedence than or basically. So that's why firstly it performs the operation and. So now it performs false and false. When both are false in the AND case, the output will be false, right? So we have false and false evaluates to false. So then the output which we got false is operated between or. I mean, it will be one of the operand for or. So now we have true or the output we got which is false. So if one of them, one of the operand or value is true for or operator, then the output will be true, right? So that's why here the answer is true, which is option A. Got it right? Now let's move to the question number 6. What is the result of 5 asterisk asterisk 2 or 5 multiply multiply 2? We don't call it multiply asterisk. Okay, now what does this expression evaluate to? What will be the output? So we have options A 10, B 25, C 125. Time is up. Let's reveal the answer. Answer is 25. So now this particular asterisk is there, right? So this is called the exponential operator basically. So so here in this phi, this symbol start 2 means phi is raised to the power of 2. Okay. So let's say phi is 5 power 2, right? So we already know what is 5 power 2, which is 5 square, which is nothing but the output will be 25. Now let's say we have 5, the same symbol, and if we have the 3 over there, so it will be 5 cube. The output will be 125, right? Now let's move to the next question. What does A exclamatory symbol single equal to symbol B check? What does it check basically, this expression? Okay, so we have option A if A is equal to B, option B if A is not equal to B, option C if A is greater than B. So your timer starts now. Time is up. Let's reveal the answer. The answer is if A is not equal to B. So this symbol is basically called as inequality operator, which checks if A is not equals to B. So it's not like whether they're two or equal, whether two or not equal, it checks basically. Okay. Now let's move to the question number 8. What will not of false or true evaluate to? Okay, this is simple, right? Now let's see the options. We have A, B, C, true, false, and none. Let's start the time. Time is up, guys. Let's reveal the answer. The answer is false. Let's see why. So the not operator inverts the Boolean value. So whatever answer we get in this particular parenthesis, it will be reversed using not. Simple, right? So we have or operator. So we have false or true, which means it evaluates to true. The expression evaluates to true. So now what is not of true? Basically reverse of true, which is nothing but false. So the answer is false, which is the option B. Now let's move to the question number 9. What is the result of 10? We know that this particular symbol is known as percentile. 10 percentile 3, but it is called something in Python. Let's see that. So options we have 3, 1, and 10. Let's start the time. Your time is up. Let's reveal the answer. The answer is 1, and let's see why. So basically in Python, percentile is the modulus operator, which returns the remainder of the division, which is nothing but, let's say 10 is divided by 3. So we will get the remainder as 1, right? So this particular percentile symbol is called the modulus operator, which gives the remainder as the output basically. Okay. Now let's say if we have 10 modulus operated by 2. So then the output will be 0. Why? Because 10 is divided by 2. We don't have any remainder over there, right? So, so the output is a 1 and the option is B. Okay. Let's move to the last question, question number 10. Yeah. Uh, what will the expression not of 7 equal to 7 or 7 greater than this 7 greater than 10 evaluate to in Python? It's very easy, right? Yeah, let's see the options. We have here true, B false, C error. Now your timer starts. Time is up, guys. Let's reveal the answer. The answer is false. Let's see why. So firstly, we have parenthesis or these brackets, right? So we called it parenthesis. So first, the expression will be evaluated in this parenthesis. First, 7 is equal to 7. Of course, it is correct, right? This is true. Now let's see, 7 is greater than 10, which is false. When we have OR operator, if any one of them is true, the output will be true. So this is true and this is false. We have the output as true. What is not of true? Simple, right? Reverse of true, which is false. So the option is B, false. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for answering our quiz. Bye.